Hi, I am Sully from Sully's Music Channel, and today I am going to show you how to create a style on all Korg new models plus old models. All you do is you want to click record button, press record new style, and you start playing the beat by clicking start and stop. When you click this button, it'll give you the beat 4 times, and then you start playing your style beat. You could also change octave when you're playing a key. So here's a simple beat of the style. Now my style is not accurate, so to do this, there's a quantized system on this Korg. So you're going to go on Style Edit. You want to go on Quantize tab, and you want to select your note icon depending on the speed of your beat. So I want to go to get my camera to focus. Let's go for 3, and you click execute. It'll give you an "Are you sure?" message, and you click yes. If you don't want to quantize that beat, just click no. You could also turn on this right here. If your style is not right, you delete current track, and you click yes. And then you start over again if needed. Here's another playing of the beat. Now I'm going to click on this icon here for you not see it, but the second note, third line note right here. And you click execute. Are you sure? Just click yes. Let's see if the style is accurate. Now there are 8 different rhythm tracks on this style, so this is just a basic style. So if you want to save this style, click on Write Style, select where you want it to be. Let's say I want to go on user 7. You click this empty tab right here, press exit, select OK, and click yes. Exit out and click yes, but if you don't want to, just click no. But for now we're going to say yes. Now you got a style on a Korg. This feature on this style creator, you could change record length and CV length, but if you want the record length to be longer, you have to click on that number 2 right here, and you use the value wheel, and then you could go up. You could change tempo too. Now it's just 120 by default. If you don't want a beat that's on your style, click delete note as you're recording. I hope you guys watch this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe my video. And I hope this video or the tutorial video helps you on your keyboard if you have a Korg. Thank you for watching this video.